Hey Bob, what's going on? This here is Aiden coming to you over at Audi Fall River today, showing you this gorgeous 2023 Audi SQ5. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty Bob, let me show you around this beautiful 2023 Audi SQ5. I know you're familiar with the brand coming out of the one that you were recently in here, but let me show you every single reason why you should lock in this bad boy. First things first, you're going to notice is this beautiful black exterior with the black optics package. Of course, all LED lights in the front with your front sensors on this vehicle. It is equipped with every safety feature you can imagine. Lane keep assist, autonomous braking system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, overhead camera view. It's got the works. So moving around to the side here, of course, you're always going to see the aggressive body style with these beautiful body lines going through the whole vehicle. 20-inch Audi Sport wheel sitting on Continental all-season tires to get the job done for you here. Of course, you got the big brake calipers, black to match the body paint of the vehicle. Black mirror caps, keyless entry on all four doors here. Gas tank obviously on the opposite side of the driver's door here. And look at this beautiful rear end on this vehicle here. Quad exhaust tips, blacked out trim, blacked out badging. You got the beautiful SQ5 logo here, as well as your standard power tailgate. Now in the back you do have a few extra goodies in this vehicle. Aside from the power tailgate, LED lights inside the vehicle, seats fold down right from the rear by the pull of the handle, trunk liner protector, trunk protector inside, all-weather mats, privacy cover, roof racks. It's got everything from the factory here, so that's always a nice little sign there as well. Let me shut this down here. Why don't you follow me this way here? Pop open the back seat so I can show you inside around a little bit. Now this vehicle is equipped with the diamond stitch sport seats with the white cross stitching. Beautiful seats. They are actually super comfy as well, even though they are a sport seat. But in the rear you're going to have fully adjustable climate control, a couple of charging ports back there, and carbon fiber inlays throughout the door panel as well, to give you a nice sleek, beautiful, elegant look. Anyways, Bob, why don't I hop in the driver's seat so I can sit down in there and show you around some of the new tech inside this beautiful 2023 SQ5. Alrighty, Bob, take a look at this beautiful cockpit where you'll be sitting here in the vehicle. First thing you're going to notice is this beautiful Audi Sport steering wheel. You got the perforations on the leather here just to give you some better grip. Of course, you're going to have a heated steering wheel on this vehicle. The beautiful Audi Sport badging, virtual cockpit, which does allow you to pull your navigation and the screen above the steering wheel. You are going to have a poor weather lighting system, seat, mirror, and steering wheel position memory for up to 2 passengers in this vehicle. Power folding mirrors, heated mirrors, of course. The beautiful carbon fiber inlays moving all throughout the cockpit of this vehicle. Of course, you're going to have your digital main center MMI here, where your navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, all those are going to be built right into here. One big thing I love about this vehicle is your overhead camera view. Pulling up this front wide angle camera here is absolutely fantastic for pulling into an intersection where you actually can't see oncoming traffic. So big plus from Audi there. And of course, you can pull up each camera view individually, including your front and rear tires if you're worried about curbing those beautiful 20-inch Audi Sport wheels. Now your climate control is pretty standard, pretty straightforward, probably what you're used to in the SQ5 that you're just getting out of here. But of course, you're going to have your standard drive select, auto start stop feature, carbon fiber inlays throughout the center console here as well, some more sport badging, electronic parking brake, and just take a look at this whole dashboard all together here. I think that they did a very good job with sort of breaking things apart with that chrome inlay, or sorry, the carbon fiber inlay, and then of course you have the chrome trim pieces here, the perforated, or sorry, the diamond stitched leather sport seats here with the adjustable bolsters. Of course, you're going to have the beautiful Bang & Olufsen sound system in this vehicle, as well as some suede inlays on the door panel as well. And last but not least, you have a couple features up top here. Frameless auto dimming mirror, of course, tap lights, LEDs inside the vehicle here, as well as a full panoramic sunroof. So let me open that up so you can see what that looks like. Alrighty, Bob, thanks for joining me here today, taking a look at this beautiful brand new 2023 Audi SQ5. Please feel free to reach out to me directly if you have any other questions or concerns about the vehicle specifically. I'd be happy to work with you here. I know we've been going back and forth about some numbers here, but I just wanted to give you a look of the vehicle so you could really see what the vehicle is all about here. So give me a call, 774-322-1975. That's my personal cell, so you can call me or text me there. Otherwise, you can feel free to reach out to me to the store directly, 508-678-5555. Anyways, again, I hope you enjoyed, Bob, and thanks for stopping by.